everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my advents again for you today, and I just had day 5. Here is day 5. So let us take a look at the Cadbury Advent. Get that open, and let's see what's in the Cadbury Advent. And there it is. Ooh, it's fudge. I can pull it out. It is a fudgy fudge. So it's a fudge, and the little door says, "Can you find 8 elves?" Yes, there are 8 elves all over the box and behind the little doors. So that is super cool. So that was what was in that one. And we will go on to our tea. Chamomile mint citrus. Awesome. And we will do J5. And this is Southern Skeins. And get this one out. Alright. And here is day 5. That is really pretty. I like the colors in that. That's real pretty. Alright, and then we've got Paw Ply's day 5. And let's check this one out. And this one is called Sugar Cookie. So that's cool. And it looks like a sugar cookie. Oh, I love that. So there's those 2. Love them. And I'm going to get the one from Hobby Lobby because it's big. Alright. And day 5 for Hobby Lobby. It's a big one. So, well, we've got a bunch of these wood beads and 75 pieces of the 0.98 inch, 25 milli, and 15 pieces of the 1.8 inch or 30 milli. And there is a bunch. Look at that. Wow. That's 90 wood beads. Whoa. And let's see what else is in here. I think I got everything else. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to put the wood bead. Oh, okay. Then there is the yarn. And it tells you the colors: brick, linen, green, and ivory. Oh, that's not. There we go. Oh, there's the colors. Okay. And then we have some hemp cord. Only 3.5 yards. And there's the hemp cord. And then we have some of these itty tiny bitty pom-poms. Yeah. 30 of these tiny pom-poms. Look how tiny they are. Itty bitty. And here's what it says. We are going to be making Deck the Halls. And there it is. How cute is that? So it's a garland. That's adorable. It's a wood garland. Yeah, see, it's called a garland. And that is adorable. So you will crochet the trees, crochet the stars, and then you make 3 tassels. You string the wood beads on the hemp cord, 3 small, 1 big, 3 small, between the tassels, Christmas trees and stars. Nice. It calls for an F 3.75 mil crochet hook, and that's really nice. I like that. So this will be a really nice thing to put up in your home. I like that. So I'm going to put that back in the bag. So this is from Hobby Lobby. And I'm sorry for the crinkle. The would be spent. And the other one, yarn and pom-poms and things. Let me set that down. And then we got the 2 different mini skeins and the tea and the fudge. So that's what we got for day 5. Absolutely love it. So I hope you did too. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.